spinning my dad's old records until we find a stinker, day 66. Today, we're spinning Sounds of Silence by Simon and Garfunkel. It came out in 1966 and made them huge stars in the folk rock movement. The duo had actually broken up temporarily prior to the release, but joined back forces after the huge commercial success. Let me know what you think of this album in the comments. Success! See you tomorrow. Also, make sure to check out the Spotify playlist in my bio with songs from each album I reviewed.
Within the sound of silence.